In this video, I am going to show you how you can copy particular files using the Shutil module. So there has been a comment from Pawan Shoyam. So he said that if there are multiple files, like he is saying that if he is having 365 date files, okay, and he has given the file format, but out of this 365 he wants to copy only particular files and like particular files with dates. So how he can do that? So I replied with him that there are two ways in which we can do it, and definitely I am going to show you how we can do it. So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start with the video. So first I'm going to show you the script which is going to generate the file name. So I'm going to explain you how it works. So to simulate this process, I'm generating 300 files. Okay. So I'll talk about date time module in a different video because I really need a dedicated video to talk about date time, the time and the time delta. But I will explain you in a gist what this module does. So generally I am trying to calculate, like I am trying to get today's date and time, everything in this now variable. Okay. This date time module is used for that. Now I am trying to format the date time module based upon the particular date and month and year. Okay, this now object, this contains every details, like it will contain the time, it will contain the days, months, year, everything, but I only need the days, date, month and year. Okay, days, month and year I should say. So this string formatting helps us in achieving that. Now after I am getting the date, okay, I am creating the particular file name with a dot extension. When that file name is created, now I am simply creating that file. That's it. I am just creating that file and I am writing a small string that this is the particular file name. If I show you any of the file, for example, if I open, maybe I need to execute this once, Python generate text files. Okay, now it was able to create the data. Now if I open any of the file, so it is saying this is the file 01/04/2023. So this is the date, this is the month, and this is the year and the dot extension. Okay, so in this way it was able to create the particular file and write a small string to it. Now here in this time delta, what I am doing, I am appending 1 day from now. So if today the date is 4th March, okay, what time delta will do, it will add 1 to this particular date. So it will be like 5th March, and again it will try to create a file name on 5th March. Okay, so like that I am creating 300 file names. So it will be like 1st March, 2nd, like 4th March is today, so it will create 4th March, 5th March, 6th March till 300 days next. Okay, and so this is how I am generating the text files. I will go up. Yep, and now I'll talk about the scenario that I want. So for example, I want to copy few files from here. So definitely the easiest way to do is select the files, like in a list, type the file names that you want as a string. Okay, and just iterate on this particular list and just copy them using the Shutil functionality. Okay, and here I have given the source from where I want to copy, which is the data folder. Okay, and I have also given the destination in which place I want to copy to, and this Shutil command is used for that. Like I want to copy a particular file from this particular source to this particular destination, and just remember the source contains the file name also. So it contains the folder from where I want to copy and the file name. Okay, and the destination also contains the folder from to which place it will be copied and the particular file name, and this Shutil dot copy file will copy that particular file from that particular source to that particular destination. So hope this is clear, and this is like the easiest way in which we can do it. But for example, if I have maybe 220 files or 30 files, or maybe 100 files. So it's better that we try to find out any kind of pattern, and to get any kind of pattern, the best way to do it is using the regex. So let's suppose from those 300 generated file names, I only want to copy all of the files that are having August as their date. So from 1st August to 31st August, every file name should get copied. So the easiest way to do is to find a pattern. Okay, this is a regex that I have defined. So if you observe the file name carefully, the first two characters are the first two digits. So I have given /d to get the digits, and next I have given 08 because August is our 8th month of the year, and then I have given /d plus to capture the year. So this is just a pattern that I have given. Using this pattern, what I have done is, so I am iterating on that particular directory. Particular directory means the data directory. So I am iterating on every file name in the data directory. So let me open it. So I'm iterating on this particular directory on every file, and I am matching the pattern. So for the first file, it is matching whether this contains 08 in between or not. Okay, if it does not, if this pattern is not matched, then don't copy. If this pattern is matched, okay, just then do the copy functionality. That's all I am doing. So this conditional is going to work only when there is a match in the particular pattern. So let's execute. For example, if I open the copy many files, okay, this is the directory that I want to copy to. So if I execute python copy many files .py, and if I run it, so if you can see, all these files are having 08, okay, which shows that we are able to pick up all the August dates. And if I open it in my file explorer, so if I come over here, copy many files, you can see every date from 1st August till 31st August is picked up successfully. So we should be having 31 files, and we are actually having 31 files with us. So this is one of the two of the ways in which you can do it. Using regex is like a very cool thing. We are able to select strings in a very efficient way. So this was a small scenario that I feel that is very interesting. So it was put by Pawan Soyam. So thanks Pawan for this comment. Hope you guys like this video. If you really did, I do appreciate, please do press the like button, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in an awesome upcoming programming video.